Hey friends, let's do Waiting for a Girl Like You guitar lesson by Foreigner. And with this song we've got a capo on the first fret. So we play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for our intro, this is before the drums start. We're just playing an A minor, then an A sus4, and then an A minor 7, and we're going to add the high G noting on the E string. And that's before the drum starts. So you can strum that there, or you can just strum one on each chord. Then we have the next part, so let me play that. There's two guitar parts here. We have the chords and then we have the little fill. So let me do the chords for you first. So we're just starting on an A minor and we're doing it down, down, up, up, down. Then we're going to this G6 over A. Now I'll give you the frets just like the capo's not on. So 6th fret on the D, 5 on the G, and 4 on the B, open E, and we're going to have the open A as well there. And we're doing an up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And we do that 4 times. So down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Because that G6 over A is not falling on the 1. If you do that strumming pattern, that'll fit in. Let's have a look at the little fill as well. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. Now again, I'll talk you through this like the capo's not on. So we have 6G, 6B, 9 on the E, play 6B, 8E, 6B, 6E, 6B, then come back to 4E, 4B, so we have, and then play 5 on the G, 4 on the B, and 6 on the E. And then 4B, 4E, 4B, open on the E, and then go 1st fret on the B, 4th fret, and 3rd fret there. So sorry, that'd be 2nd fret on the B, and then 4 on the B, and then 3 on the G there. So slowly. Just do that through 2 times, and that's our little fill. Then from there we have our verse. Let me do that for you. So again, we just do the same as the intro, our A minor to our G6 over A, and do that 4 times. So, same strumming pattern as before, so 4 times there. It's 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to an E minor 7, and we're going to do the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down. And then we're going to a D sus2 over A, and we're going to do an up, up, down, up, up. And on the last down, we're going to add the low F sharp in there on the 5th fret on the D string, and down. So we have down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down there. Do that 3 times, and then the last time through, we're going to do an E minor 7 again. Down, up, down to our D sus2 over A. This time we're going to go up, up, down, and then to an E7, up, up, down. So let me do from that first E minor 7 slowly for you. Down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. Again. And now to our that's our verse there. Then we have our little pre-chorus. Let me do that for you. So this time we're doing an F major 7 sus2. So we have, again, with pretend the capo's not there, we've got 4th fret, we've got the open G, then we've got 2nd fret on the B and open E. And this time we're just doing a down, down, up, up, down, up. Then go to G and do exactly the same thing. Down, down, up, down, up. And we do that 4 times, and the last one we just hold the G there. And that's our pre-chorus. Now let's do the chorus. So we're just starting on a D minor. We're going to go down, down, and then go to a D minor 7, up, up, down, up. Do that 2 times. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. B flat, just down, 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 up, down, up. Back to the D minor with the D minor 7, down, down, up, down, up. And then repeat that again. So D minor, up, down, up again. Then go to the B flat, bar. Then we're going to go to the G minor, and we're going to do a down, down, up, and then just take your 3rd finger off the A string, do an up, and then put it back on again, up, and then a down there, and then an up. We're doing off, so a down, down, up, down, off, and then we're just repeating it all again, back to the D minor again, to the D minor 7, the B flat, back to the D minor again, to the D minor 7, and then repeat, to the B flat again, to the G minor, and then we're just playing the 4th fret and the 5th fret there on the E string to get us ready for the next section there. So that's our chorus. The only tricky bit's that G minor. We have a down, down, up, 3rd finger off, up, back on again, down, and then an off on our up. So down, down, up, down, up, back to the D minor there. Then from there we're just going back to the intro, and guitar 1's doing the same, and guitar 2's got our little fill. Then from there we're doing our 2nd verse. Now this is nearly exactly the same. We've still got our A minor to our G6 over A 4 times, but this time we just do the E minor 7 to the D sus2 over A, adding our F sharp in. Do that once, and then do the E minor 7 to the D sus over A to the E7 there. So that's the only difference there. From there we go back to the pre-chorus, and that's the same. Back to the chorus, and that's the same, and then we go back to the intro, and we just keep repeating that all the way through to the end, both guitar parts, our strumming with our A minor and our G6 over A, plus our little fill there, and they're all the parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Waiting for a Girl Like You Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more, and I'll see you soon.